It's beautiful.
Karen Marshall! We're looking for a data analyst.
Could you speed it up a bit, please?
Karen, we want you on the team. Company car with a car face.
With my name on it?
Yes.
Let opportunity come to you. Seek profile.